20 classic cars, all under $5,000. Some run, some don't, but every single one has potential. The real question is, which one is actually worth saving? 1. 1975 Lincoln Trades, $5,000, Chesterfield Twimp MI. 1975 Lincoln Sedan with around 65,000 miles and automatic transmission. Exterior is silver and appears complete, but detailed condition is limited since the car was won in a raffle. Seller is mainly looking for trades, which suggests the car hasn't been fully evaluated or restored. Likely a usable classic, but still needs proper inspection before regular driving. Two, 1978 GMC Caballero, $4,500, Landrum SC. 1978 GMC Caballero with 57,000 miles, automatic and V6 engine. Runs and drives with a clean title and mostly original condition inside and out. It's more of a driver-level classic than a full project, but age-related wear should be expected. Could be used as is with light maintenance. 3. 1964 Ford Thunderbird 007 Limited Edition Hardtop Convertible 2D, $2,300 Winder GA. This Thunderbird is a clear project car with missing seats, rusty floors, and a worn convertible top. Engine is said to turn over, but not confirmed running. Not drivable in current condition and will need major restoration work. Best suited for someone specifically looking for a Thunderbird rebuild project. Four, 1978 Chevrolet Malibu Classic, $3,800, Kutztown, PA. This Malibu runs, drives straight, and stops properly. It has a solid base overall, with only minor rust reported in the door jamb area. Still considered a project, but a lighter one compared to others. A decent starting point for a budget classic build or daily style restoration. Five, 1967 Ford Fairlane 500, $2,200, Lancaster, Kentucky. Equipped with a 289 V8 and automatic transmission, this Fairlane was running before being parked. It also has factory AC. Currently not drivable due to no brakes and sitting condition. Solid project candidate, but will need mechanical restoration before use.
Number 6. 1969 Chevrolet Impala SEDAN, $3,500, McDonald, Georgia. This Impala runs and drives with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. It also has new tires and some additional parts included. However, it has brake issues and a leaking wheel cylinder. Mechanically usable, but still needs repairs to be fully reliable. Number 7. 1977 Lincoln Continental Mark V Cartier, $4,500, Pulaski, Tennessee. Low mileage example at around 29,000 miles, runs and drives with working electrical features and retains original luxury details. Interior is incomplete and there is some rust near the vinyl top. A mix between driver and project, depending on how far restoration goes. Number 8. 1958 Ford 300 Custom, $5,000, Camden, Ohio. This 1958 Ford runs and drives with a straight-six engine and automatic transmission. Basic features like lights and heater are working. It's still an older car that needs attention, including small issues like an inconsistent fuel gauge. Usable but requires ongoing maintenance. Number 9. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Convertible 2D, $5,000, Dunbar, PA. Project Corvette that comes with a parts car and multiple new components like frame, brake lines, and suspension parts. Engine runs. Transmission condition is unknown, and the car needs assembly and finishing. Better suited for someone ready for a full project build. Number 10. 1974 Dodge Dart, $1,500, Batesville, Arkansas. Previously ran and drove with a good engine and transmission, but currently not road ready. No brakes and fuel system needs work. Also has rust in floors and trunk, plus some missing or damaged parts. A lower budget project requiring mechanical repairs.
$11. 1979 Toyota Corolla, $3,500, Tiger, GA. This 1979 Toyota Corolla is described as a running and driving car with good fuel efficiency. It appears to be mechanically functional and usable in its current state. The listing mentions it runs well, though it does need some brake work. That suggests it's not fully sorted, but still operational for short-term use. Exterior and interior details are limited, so overall cosmetic condition is unclear. It should be expected to have typical wear for its age. This is more of a light project or usable classic daily, depending on how much work the next owner wants to put into it. $12.
1971 Cadillac Eldorado Coupe 2D, $3,800, Cleveland, Ohio. This 1971 Cadillac Eldorado shows around 54,000 miles and is equipped with a large 500 engine. The car has been stored for a long time and has not been recently driven. The engine does turn over, but it has not been confirmed running. Because of that, it should be treated as a non-running project until proven otherwise. Structurally, it is described as a solid car, which is important for a vehicle of this size and age. However, long-term storage usually means full system checks are needed.
It will require towing and a full recommission process, including fuel, brakes, and electrical systems before becoming roadworthy again. $13. 1963 Chevrolet Corvair Monza, $1,900, Canton, Georgia. This 1963 Corvair Monza comes with a 4-speed manual transmission and shows approximately 56,000 miles. It is described as having a solid body overall. The floors are reported to be in very good condition, especially with the carpet removed, which helps confirm structural integrity. This is a strong point for a car at this price level. It has been sitting and is not currently in regular driving condition. Some mechanical work will be required before putting it back on the road. Overall, it presents Alayhi Salam a straightforward project with a solid base and fewer structural concerns than many similar listings. $14. 1965 Plymouth Barracuda, $2,000, Fredericksburg, VA. This Barracuda Fastback is equipped with a slant 6 engine and automatic transmission. The engine is not confirmed running, but it is not seized. The car includes additional parts and features such as aftermarket AC and power steering. However, it is not drivable in its current condition. Mechanical work will be required before attempting to start or drive the vehicle. It should be transported rather than driven.
This is clearly a project car, but still a complete platform for someone interested in restoring an early Barracuda model. 15. 1968 Chevrolet Impala, $2,000, Walterboro SC. This 1968 Impala is currently missing both the engine and transmission. It was originally intended for a custom engine swap project. The body is described as relatively solid, with minimal rust, which is a major advantage for restoration or modification work. It also includes a disc brake conversion kit, adding some value and making it easier to upgrade the braking system. Overall, this is a non-running project best suited for a full build or as a base for a custom setup.
(16) 1974 Pontiac Grand Prix, $1,250, Queenstown, MD. This 1974 Grand Prix has been sitting for an extended period and is being sold primarily as a parts car. The condition of the engine is unknown. It does not come with a title, which makes registration and road use difficult depending on local regulations. The car does have some usable components, such as tires, but overall condition is uncertain due to lack of recent use. Because of these factors, it is best treated as a parts donor rather than a restoration project. (17) 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook, $3,900, Corinth, Kentucky. This 1953 Plymouth Cranbrook is equipped with a flathead 6 engine and manual transmission. The engine is reported to run. The body, frame, and floors are described as solid, which is important for a vehicle of this age. It also has a 12V conversion and front disc brakes. Several new parts have been installed, including tires, shocks, plugs, and wiring components. This improves its overall usability. It still requires finishing work such as interior, gauges, and some brake adjustments, making it a partial restoration project. (18)
1978 Fiat 124 Spider, $1,000, Clarksville, Indiana. This Fiat 124 Spider is a non-running project car that will need to be transported. Restoration work has already been started. The seller includes a large number of spare parts, including body panels, interior components, and additional drivetrain pieces. Some rust has been addressed, and certain mechanical components have been replaced or serviced during previous work. Despite that progress, the car remains unfinished and will require time and effort to complete properly. (19) 1974 Ford F-100, $2,750, Knoxville, Tennessee. This 1974 Ford F-100 runs and drives with an inline-6 engine and manual transmission.
Some newer parts, like a radiator and fuel tank, have been installed. However, it still needs brake work and new tires, which means it is not fully ready for regular road use. The body has noticeable rust, although the frame is described as solid. This is typical for trucks of this age. It can be considered a usable project truck that requires both mechanical and cosmetic improvements. 20. 1978 Oldsmobile 98 two-door, $850, Blythewood, SC. This 1978 Oldsmobile 98 is a rolling project with no engine currently installed. It still retains a transmission and some newer components. The interior is partially intact, but needs work, including headliner and carpet replacement.
Some wear is also present. It carries a salvage rebuilt title and has had previous rear damage, though the structure is still usable. Overall, this is a low-cost project platform that will require a full drivetrain install and additional restoration work. So, which one would you take home and build? Drop your pick in the comments. I'm curious what stands out to you. And if you're into real-world classic finds like this, make sure to subscribe for more.